And forward. And again. In and breathe out, blow out all the air, rounding your spine. If this is uncomfortable for you, then perhaps lower that leg. Blow out all the air. Breathe in and up and push, push. Spinal rotation, really good for mobilizing the spine. You can even pull on your toes if you like. Make sure you keep your leg really super straight here. Pull your heel to your butt. Now she's confused because I have opened the door, but it's open on the other side. Pushing that shoulder down even more. High sweep. I just want you to think about your hip opening. So you're rotating. Pull. So reach and stretch the other way. One way always seems to be more uncoordinated for some reason. And it's up and it's down.